Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making a sweet potato bundt cake. I'll be showing you guys the ingredients in 3 parts. For our cake, we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sweet potatoes. I cubed them and I boiled them for 20 minutes. Then you want to mash them real good. 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The ingredients for our cinnamon swirl is 1/2 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. The ingredients for our glaze is 1 cup of confectioners sugar, 4 tablespoons of milk, and also 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first thing we're going to do is make our cinnamon swirl. You're going to get a small bowl, add your 1/2 cup of sugar in, and then your tablespoon of ground cinnamon. You just want to mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done, you can set it to the side. Now you want to get a bowl, and we're going to put our flour into the sifter. Now we're just going to add to that our ground cloves, our cinnamon, our baking powder, our baking soda, and our nutmeg. And all you want to do is sift that right into your bowl. Okay, once you're done, just take a whisk and just mix it until it's well combined, and you can set it to the side. Now to a large bowl, you want to add in your sweet potatoes, your eggs, your vanilla extract, salt, vegetable oil, sugar, and our brown sugar. Now I'm just going to take a spoon and we're just going to mix it together until it's well combined. Okay guys, once you're done, you want to get a hand mixer. We're going to begin to add in our flour slowly. Guys, I forgot to mention we're also going to need 1 cup of buttermilk. So you can go ahead and add that in. Okay guys, all you want to do is scrape the sides of your bowl and just pull it to the center. Then you can continue to mix it. Once your batter is nicely combined, you can go ahead and set it to the side and get your bundt pan. Okay, so I have my bundt pan and I'm just going to spray it with some Baker's Joy nonstick baking spray. Okay guys, you can set your oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm just going to take half of my batter and pour it into my Bundt pan. Okay guys, you just want to shake it and make sure that it's even all the way around. Now I'm going to take about half of my cinnamon swirl and we're just going to sprinkle it around on top of the cake batter. Now we're going to add the remaining cake batter. Okay guys, now you can go ahead and sprinkle the rest of your cinnamon swirl on top. Now all we're going to do is go ahead and swirl it into our batter. Once you're done, you can place it in your 350-degree oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, so our Bundt cake is out of the oven. We're just going to let it cool off completely. It's going to take about a half hour to 45 minutes. Okay guys, so I flipped my Bundt cake over onto a wire rack. Now we're going to make our glaze. You want to get a small bowl. We're going to add in our confectioner sugar. To that we're going to add in our vanilla extract, and we're going to begin to add in our milk. You guys can go ahead and stir it, and you add in as much milk as you need it to get it to the consistency that you would like. Okay guys, I only used about 3 tablespoons of the milk. This is how I want my glaze to be. So I put my glaze into a measuring cup. It's just easier to drizzle it over top of our Bundt cake. Guys, so here's our Bundt cake, and I'm going to drizzle our glaze over top. Okay guys, so here we have it, our sweet potato Bundt cake. Okay guys, if you look, you can see the swirl of the cinnamon swirl in it. It smells really amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?